Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a Mediterranean stuffed pita. This is a really great recipe for a lunch or dinner time. I like to meal prep the meat and the ingredients and then just throw it all together when I'm ready to eat it. So let's jump right in. First thing we're going to do is we are going to season and prep our meat. I'm gonna be doing a mixture of ground beef and of lamb. So I'm using 80-20 ground beef. I'm gonna throw it into a larger bowl. And I'm also gonna be using ground lamb. This is 1 pound of each. I'm going to add my seasoning. I'm using black pepper. I'll put in the description all the measurements for my seasonings. This is some garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and salt. Putting on a food safe glove, I am just going to combine these seasonings with the meat and make sure that we mix the ground lamb and the ground beef together well. I've mixed the ground meat together. Now you have a couple options here. You can either leave it as is and just cook it to have it like ground meat, but what I like to do is to actually form it into a patty or like a kebab type shape. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna take a handful of the meat, and what I like to do is roll it into a sausage shape. I'm gonna do this for all of the ground meat. So I get it into handful size and then we roll it out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. Once you've formed your kebabs, you wanna take the back of a butter knife and we're just going to do slight indentations into the meat. Our kebabs are ready to cook. I have a nonstick pan that I'm heating on medium heat. I'm gonna take some avocado oil spray and spray the bottom of the pan. And once my pan is nice and hot and the oil gets hot, I'm going to add the kebabs. My pan is hot. Let's take the kebabs and place them in. We don't wanna overcrowd the pan, just as many that can fit. Like I said, you don't have to do this kebab shape, but I just like it better for this particular dish because it's like a Mediterranean style stuffed pita. You could also do this in a burger patty shape if you wanted, or just the loose ground meat. After about 2 minutes on the first side, we're going to flip it over and cook for another 2 minutes on the other side. I'm going to cover with my splash screen. If you want to purchase a splash screen, I've linked it down in my Amazon links in the description below. Our kebabs are finished. I'm letting them sit for a moment just to cool down, and I'm gonna make my sauce for this stuffed pita. I'm gonna take some, you can use Greek yogurt or skyr. I'm using skyr. And I'm gonna put about half of a cup into a larger bowl. Then I'm gonna take some feta. I like to use this brand of feta, not sponsored, just my favorite brand of feta. And I'm going to crumble it up into my bowl. Next, we're going to add some black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of the garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm gonna take 1/4 lemon and squeeze it in there. And now let's combine all of these ingredients together. We're ready to stuff our pita. I'm using a low carb, keto friendly pita. I will link it in the Amazon links down in the description below. It is the one by Mission Foods. I'm going to take it and cut it open. We're gonna take that yogurt sauce and put it down into our pita. Then I'm gonna take some green leaf lettuce, sliced red onion, some diced tomato, and we're gonna put our kebab and top it off with some of that extra yogurt sauce. And there you have it, a delicious, easy lunch or dinner stuffed pita pockets. So good and high in protein, low in calorie, and great if you're on a keto or a low carb diet to make a fun meal with a little bit of variety. Can't wait for you guys to try this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and cheers. I absolutely love this recipe, especially how simple it is, and you can meal prep all of the ingredients and just build the pita pocket whenever you're ready to eat it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.